Hey, 7th grade. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're getting a chance to get outside and, like I like to tell people, go outside and play for your neighbors. Maybe they'll like it, but it's fun to play outside. All right, we're going to do page 17 today. The new thing is last week we did 1/8 and 2/16. Today we're going to do 2/16 followed by 1/8. First, however, we're going to review. So line 81, the Galway Piper, you should all recognize this. This was one of my favorites when I was your age. Anyway, I'm going to play on the clarinet today. So 81, Galway Piper. Here we go. And there is a repeat. In the interest of time, I'm skipping them though. Alrighty, that's 81. Line 82, again, skill builder. It's really just reviewing, playing in different key signatures, and watching different articulations and tonguing. I'm going to play on the flute again. I don't think there was anything else I needed to tell you. So 82, skill builder. Here we go. So it's 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 E and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. 82, 2 and 3 and 4. Alrighty. Excuse me. All right. So remember, 4/16, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. I'm going to show you my handy dandy little paper again. So remember, 4/16, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And remember last week on line 77, anyway, we went where we tied together the first 2/16, so it was 1 and a 2 and a, like here, 1 and a 2 and a. All right, today we're going to tie together the last 2/16 notes, so 1 E and a, except we don't need to say the A. 1 E and, 2 E and, 1 E and, 2 E and. I hope that makes sense. So there's kind of like the understood right here. 1 E and, we don't have to say the 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. You can think of 16th notes. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. So I'm going to count and clap line 83. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3 E and a 4. 1, 2 and 3 E and 4. 1, 2 and 3 E and 4. 1 E and 2 E and 3, 4. All right. Every time they do that, the first time they introduce the rhythm, like I did here, they just show you first they tie them together, and then so 2/16 would equal 1/8 note. So then they just write it as an 1/8 note. Okay. Line 84 has that same rhythm in it. It's all 1 E and 2/16 followed by 1/8, and it's also up at the top of your page in blue here. 1 E and 2 E and the counting. If you follow the line through, you can follow the counting. I'm going to play line 84, Sourwood Mountain, on the flute. Here we go. And watch your key signature. Flutes and low brass, we went down to 1 flat, which means clarinets and trumpets, you've got 1 sharp, F sharp. Flutes and low brass, B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, and bells also 1 flat. 1 and 2. Again, skipping the repeat. All right, same rhythms. Line 85, Big Rock Candy Mountain. You should recognize this. If any of you have ever seen, well, you probably haven't, but there's one of my favorite movies. It's called Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? And they sang this or played this in that movie. Anyway, what we have here, measure 1, beat 2, it's eighth followed by 16, 2/16, so 1 and a. And same thing there, when we get to the second line, we got 1 E and, 2/16 followed by an 8. So watch, they keep switching 8, 6, 2/16 or 2/16 followed by an 8. Yeah, measure, oh, and also measures, I don't know if you can see this. So 4, 8, 12, 16, we also have our favorite, syncopation. Actually, I think I was going to count this for you guys really quickly. So 85 counting. 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 syncopation. And 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 second line. And 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Alrighty, I'm going to play it. 85. Look at our key signature. It changed again. 2 flats, flutes and low brass and bells. So we're in the key of E flat. So brass and, trumpets and clarinets. Yeah, you're back to the key of C major. So no flats, no sharps. Here we go. 85, Big Rock Candy Mountain. 1, 2. Second line. Alrighty, I think that covers it for today. 7th grade, have a great week. I'll see you next time.